Good morning, BNI. Growing a business is easier as a master connector. And the fastest way to become a master connector is to tap into the power of your local BNI chapter, which connects you to an international network of hundreds and thousands of business people in dozens of countries around the world. Our master connectors introduce people that they care about to the referral partners that they trust to deliver what they promise to help solve a problem. That is why today we recognize them for their valuable contributions in growing our community of teachers. Again, congratulations to our awardees at maraming salamat po.
I have been a member of BNI Star chapter for a year now, and so far, it was an exciting journey. I got to meet and connect with over 100 plus business owners, not only in my chapter but also from other chapters whenever I attend national conventions and trainings. Thank you to BNI for this prestigious recognition. Being a master connector is simple and easy. You just have to be intentional in inviting visitors who can become prospective members, potential clients and suppliers, or referral sources. My tip for those who want to be a master connector is to really set aside at least 1 hour per week to invite visitors. I do more than the minimum because I want to help my chapter grow and also my referral partners to grow their businesses. How do you thrive during these uncertain times? One way is to grow your network, and the BNI system is the way to go. Remember this, your network is your net worth. Happy connecting, be a master connector.
Hi BNI Philippines, congratulations to all the winners of the Master Connector Pins. You know this is the one for the visitors, okay? Right, congratulations for achieving such excellence in bringing visitors to your chapters. And be on the play, be on the game to win many more Master Connector Pins for the other sections of the Master Connector program. See you and all the best.